What is going on?
Check it out, everybody. 92 Jeep Cherokee. We got it for $500, and she's got a supercharger. Pushing 10 pounds of boost. We got a stack on it. Dude, there's nothing that this thing is missing. Time to do some testing on it. See what $500 gets you. Let's go have some fun. This thing's a bad girl, Ty. Did you guys just see that?
Oh, bro, this thing gets it, y'all.
We gotta go test this thing, man. Holy freaking crap, Ty. This thing is more than legit. These rednecks, well, these are professional rednecks, I would say, that built this thing. We got the boosted booby bouncer. That's what they named her. And we are gonna freaking take the boosted booby bouncer to the absolute limit. Literally, come check this out, just so you guys get an idea of what we are working with here. We got the freaking custom wastegate right there. He kept blowing the boot off.
Got the ratchet strapped supercharger, but don't worry.
She's in there. And then he said, I was like, what's this? He goes, that's the raindrop coolant count. So we're just catching coolant right there, basically. We got 31s on the front, 35s on the back. We got a 1-ton axle, dude. Oh my goodness. It's really no joke. It's really no joke, Ty.
This guy did such a good job.
The 2 hot laps we just had, oh my gosh, we were having a blast. But now it's time we go over to the other property. Let's go put this thing to the absolute test and have hell of a time, baby. Give me some time.
Let's go.
Let's see its towing capacity, Ty.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go, bro. Look here. You ready to hit the lake, Ty?
Let's do it.
All right, we got the boat hooked up. The trailer, well, the trailer's shot, so we got a reinforcement test happening. Let's go.
A reinforcement test happening. We have power.
Dude, we're ready for Moab. Are we really taking this to Moab, Ty?
How could we not?
Dude, I happen to agree with that statement, sadly.
Tomorrow morning?
We're out of here.
Okay.
Check it out, fellas. We're out here today, and we got the drop top, so what better time than teach Ty how to swing a baseball bat? How you feeling, man?
Hey, bro, last test, hand-eye coordination.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Off to the races, fellas! Hell of a swing, man! I think it's time we see you guys in Moab tomorrow morning. We're taking this bad girl up there. Let's have hell of a day. Give me some, bro.
Let's go.
We got 2 3-wheelers right there. Cummins, she's ready to go. And the $500 boosted booby bouncer. We're going to Moab, fellas. We're gonna see what this bad girl's all about and have hell of a time. Let's go, baby. Check it out. We made it to beautiful Moab. This is the ultimate Moab machine. And we're on a mission to take it rock crawling, baby. We'll see you guys on the trail. This thing's amazing, fellas. Time to put it to the ultimate test. Let's go do some rock crawling, Ty.
Let's go.
You need some more duct tape up there.
Try and keep up.
I'll do my best.
Check it out. You ready to hear it? She's doing really well, bro. This thing, a beast, bro. $500. We are really doing Moab right now. You're good, baby. You're good. Ty, climbing that hill like nothing, dude. What do you think about that one?
That was a weak sauce hill. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. That was a climb, I told you.
I busted the supercharger belt. Should I turn it off? Turn it off?
Why don't you tell us what's going on?
We gotta put the belt on. We're in the middle of freaking nowhere. Time to figure out the belt tie. All right, the belt was being stupid. Couldn't get the belt back on. So let's just get it off the trail and go find some three-wheelers, Ty.
Let's do it.
Here, Ty. Ty. Check it out, fellas. She did absolutely amazing. Blew the belt. Couldn't get it back on. Don't feel like dealing with it right now. So we're breaking out the 80s machine. True shred 80 fashion. Ty, what do you think about that, man?
Dude, it wouldn't be right if we came to Moab and didn't rip some wheelers.
Gosh damn right. So we got the Yamaha 225, the Honda 250 SX. We're gonna have some fun. Test the 80s, baby. Let's get out there. I already feel 10 times safer, fellas. Look at the trail now. Blast, but three-wheelers, Ty, they're just the best thing in the world. Let's keep riding, baby. Let's go! Be careful! Oh, you have a really, really good brake, apparently. Bro. Holy smokes, fellas. Had to cool myself down. I was approaching overheating mode, but shitbox, well, she made it through. Ty, what are your remarks, baby?
Dude, They made it through, but nothing beats a good old three-wheeler.
Dude, I feel so safe on this. Can't beat an old three-wheeler. Thanks y'all for watching. We love you guys. See you next week.